Hi, my name is Curt Glaze. I'm the showroom manager here at California Custom Carpets in Dublin, California. California Custom Carpets is a flooring contractor. We provide and install flooring in everything from new home construction to custom homes and also residential and commercial remodeling projects. Our company's been here for 45 years, which I don't believe a lot of our competitors can lay claim to that. And in that time, we've done a lot of things right. There's a lot of expertise here. The products we sell are a variety of quality levels, but they're all of sufficient quality to make you happy with your purchase. We have a good sense of what works and what doesn't from a design perspective, but mostly it's taking the time to listen to a client, understanding their lifestyle, their needs, their budget, and then trying to find a solution that fits best for them. Most of our business comes from referral customers, so we must be doing something right. We have a lot of experience doing this. I've been in the flooring business for about 15, 16 years, and I'm a long ways from the most experienced person here. We have people doing this that have been doing it for 40 years, 30 years. Not uncommon, and that's throughout our organization. It's not just the sales or the design staff, but we have installers that have been with us over 20 years. We have operations managers that have been in the business since they were teenagers and they're now getting ready to retire. We don't forget about you after you've made your purchase. We're here, and our reputation is everything to us. So we want to make sure that you're completely satisfied and feel like you've been treated fairly and obtained the highest quality products and services at a reasonable price.